All right, welcome back. I did a chameleon cell pour last time. I'm gonna do another one, but it's different. I'm using all the same colors, but I'm gonna do a flip cup. And as you can see, I'm back to my normal self, using entirely too much paint for the canvas that I have. So there's no silicone in any of these colors, so we don't need to protect the canvas. But those colors were amazing, and I'm curious if I can get something similar out of this flip cup here. And I think I will be able to. Now, it's on the Lazy Susan, because once I do flip the cup, I'm gonna spin it to try to spread those layers out. But I'm not sure how this is gonna work. But I think it's gonna be amazing. So don't quote me on that, but I wanna believe that it'll be amazing. So, no cells should really form. There's no silicone in the cup at all. But there may be some air bubbles in there. So any cells we do get on the pour, you can blame that. But here we go. Let me try to keep this paint towards the center. I already love the way. I mean, look at this cup though. Goodness. Almost don't want to even throw the cup away. All right, so there's a bubble. But we can fix that, because we're gonna spin it and make our mess. I like how none of these colors really got muddy. We're gonna spin it and try to spread these colors out a little bit. Y'all should see the crazy mess that I make everywhere whenever I spin these. I love how that looks though. It's got this crazy little, it almost looks translucent. So, I know all those beautiful colors are hiding just below the surface, so we're gonna expose them in the same little spiral pattern that I did last time. Look at those colors though. So the last pour I did was dope. It was really cool. It's just I added too much white to the center. But with this one, I added no white to the very center of the painting. There were some subtle white layers, but other than that, no. Okay, so all these multicolored rings are crazy. This is beautiful. What? I wasn't expecting the colors to layer so much like that, but they did. This is nuts. I can't wait to bring you guys down. I already love the way this looks. It's looking insane. So, how are you guys doing on this glorious day? You can see my table's super messy because I've been making pretty little messes all morning. And that's probably why I'm in such a good mood right now. I love doing this stuff. It's not even necessarily so people can buy it. I mean, it's just so much fun for me to just sit out here and, you know, just make pretty little messes all over the canvas. I love it. I really do. I'm wondering if there's any specific colors that you guys want to see with a chameleon cell pour. I'm willing to try pretty much anything. So if you guys give me a suggestion, I will definitely add it to the list. Alright, so we're gonna go through the middle and try to make these cells bump into each other. One hand is completely coated in paint, so I can't really touch it with that hand. So I'm just trying to spin it a little bit. This is crazy, guys, crazy. And these cells are going to continue to grow, which is nuts. I bet you they'll do even more if I hit it with a torch. So, before I get the questions in the comment section, this is the silicone that I'm using is that coconut oil hair serum. For those of you that may have just discovered my channel, that's typically the silicone I default to. I have used the blast off and the treadmill silicone and all that in the past, and despite how much of a pain in the butt it is to clean this stuff, I think it gives me really good effects. So I will suffer the cleanup to get the effects I want. But yeah, this is looking nuts. I like it. If you guys are liking it, just drop a like on this video because it actually does help. It helps the channel grow. It helps YouTube realize that you're enjoying the content, so that way when I come out with future videos, they make sure to recommend them to you. And if you don't like the content for whatever reason, it's totally fine. If you'd be so kind as to just tell me in the comments, like, what did you not like? What can I do different? I'm very receptive. This is a very small, tight-knit community we have here. And you know, I read every single comment. I try to respond to every single comment. So, one thing I didn't do in the last one is I didn't hit it with a torch. And I'm gonna do that with this one, because I know it helps silicone spread. I'm not sure what it'll do to this one. So maybe it'll help spread it faster. Some of these rings are just crazy. So let me do this. I'm gonna bring you guys down, have you guys take a look at this thing. And I mean, I'm super happy with the way this came out. There's definitely a difference between the swirl pour and this Chameleon cell pour just out of a flip cup. But I'll let you guys judge for yourself. I love the way they both came out. Be right back. So here's all those really tiny layers. You can see them in each cell. There was a small layer of many different colors. There's something about just watching these cells grow that is like satisfying to me. I don't know. It's crazy. We've got so many just different little colors together.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.